talk about mother of millions or miracle plant for all kinds of things, anti-aging, inflammation, all kinds of stuff, in healing wounds. It's just amazing stuff. Hi, Dr. Paul Haider, Master Herbalist and Health and Wellness Instructor for 34 years. Let's get the world healthy. If you like what I do, please give me a thumbs up, please subscribe, and let's get everyone in the world healthy. We have so many sick people now. But today I want to talk about, you probably have this growing inside your house or outside your house. This is called Mother of Millions, also called Miracle Plant, and there's a taxonomy species name also listed in the information. And they have a huge amount of different species, but it is amazing stuff. It is mildly toxic, but it can help with so many different things. And it's been used for thousands of years successfully, if used correctly, that's for sure. And it helps with just about everything. It's just a miracle plant. There's no doubt about that. Listed below a few of the studies, but there's 729 pages of studies about this plant. Amazing. I'm going to stress, this is strong medicine, really strong. So use it, like you would something that's strong. This wonderful leaf contains a huge amount of antioxidants, gallic acid, caffeic acid, coumac acid, quercetin, on and on and on. 218 different compounds found in the leaves. Wow. Traditional medicine has been used for wound healing. It actually speeds up wound healing faster than a lot of our new medicines, and also helps with rashes and irritations and all kinds of things. And new studies with anti-aging shows that it actually works as well as ascorbic acid or vitamin C, and actually, keeping us young. There's no doubt about that. And helps with anti-inflammatory qualities to, prevent inflammation, which is the aging process. It's also antibacterial, antifungal, antimicrobial in general. Wow. And brand new studies. There's a lot of studies from 2024 showing that it can help with anti-proliferation, or can't say that here, but, and helps with stopping the proliferation, apoptosis, the migration of the terrible cells, also angiogenesis, oxidative stress, and on and on. It's also been used for infections, inflammation, injuries in general. And if you had like an abscess, works great. Traditionally also used as a powerful antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and antimicrobial tea, or it can be used as the liquid from the leaves itself. It is mildly toxic, and I don't recommend it for those who are pregnant, nursing, or small children for sure. It should only be used for 7 to 10 days. And the average dose is 750 milligrams daily for no more than 7 to 10 days. Or you can make it into a tea, about a teaspoon of the leaf, it's dried leaf itself. Put it in a cup, add hot water, let it steep for 15 minutes and cool, and drink that once a day for 7 to 10 days. And you could grow this anywhere. These little babies here drop off and go on the ground, and they start growing everywhere. We've got it in one spot all over the place. And I'm really excited about having it because it's amazing for just about everything. So there you go. Mother of Millions, or Miracle Leaf. I highly recommend you grow this plant around the house. Also, when I added extra, it cleans the air, which is amazing. And, we have so much in the way of toxic air quality these days. This is really, really, really important. If you have something going on, give me a call at 831-869-9119. I have a man now. He has most of his coronary arteries almost completely clogged up with, atherosclerosis and cholesterol. and we are reversing that naturally. And he is fatigued and, can't get around. We're going to change his life and get him back to normal and feeling fantastic. 831-869-9119. Also, remember God, remember I love you. And I was walking in the mall. I do 10 miles a day, 2 miles with the little dogs in the morning, and another 8 miles at the mall. It's 1.14 miles around the mall. And I saw this good-looking young lady, probably in her mid-20s, and she had a top on, and it said a terrible word on there, a derogatory word about herself. And I was just taken back. Why would a person do that? That is not a good thing. God said to build ourselves up, not to be mean to ourselves. Be loving and be kind to all the words that you say to yourself. And also have gratitude, and your life will change. I love you.